10 Bangkok experiences you shouldn't miss. Each letting you enjoy Bangkok in a different way. Culture, adventure, food, and iconic city experiences. And every experience can be booked directly with us. Easy, fast, and perfect for your day in Bangkok. 1. Join the 3 Iconic Temples tour to explore the Grand Palace, Emerald Buddha, Wat Po, and Wat Arun, Bangkok's most timeless landmarks. 2. Take a private long-tail boat tour to Wat Paknam and glide through peaceful canals toward the towering giant Buddha before cruising back toward Icon Siam. 3. Enjoy a cycling tour around the old city through Talat Noi's quiet old alleys, the lively streets of Chinatown, and the colorful flower market at Pak Klong Talad. 4. Book a Safari World experience to feed giraffes, see dolphins jump, and meet macaws and orangutans, only part of the fun inside Safari World. 5. Visit the King Power Mahanakhon Skywalk and enjoy 360-degree city views from one of Bangkok's highest open-air decks, plus the famous glass tray skywalk at King Power Mahanakhon. 6. Try Bangkok's bus dining tour and enjoy selected dishes with relaxing Bangkok views as you travel comfortably around the city. 7. Discover Jurassic World, the Experience Bangkok. Explore immersive dino zones and enjoy Skyflyers, Wings of Garodapterus, a 135-meter sky swing with thrilling panoramic views. 8. Join a Chao Phraya buffet cruise and enjoy seafood, Thai classics, Japanese favorites, and Italian dishes, plus live music, performances, and historic river landmarks along the Chao Phraya River. 9. Experience Muay Thai at Ratchadamnern Stadium, the legendary arena where every fight hits hard, feels intense, and shows real Muay Thai power inside Ratchadamnern Stadium. 10. Take a midnight tuk-tuk food tour. Move through the night streets in a fun tuk-tuk ride, with your guide pointing out local spots as you sample tasty bites that are easy and affordable. If you're unsure which option fits your day, just message us. We're a local Thai travel agency and we're happy to guide you. Chilpai Nai, your friendly Thai travel agency.